Hey guys, Rusty here, Ugly HP. I know we took a somewhat long break on this tractor, so just updating you guys where I'm at. Finally got the, oh my god, slipped my mind what these are. The bushings for the spindles, I guess you can call that, and the center of the I-beam. So it's two, and then these have divots in them, but there's two of those. I'm trying to find this guy right here. This is a very odd thread size for the Zerk fitting that goes right there. And yeah, so working on trying to locate those, working on getting the bearings for the wheels. Those are the wheels I got. Found them on eBay for about 10 bucks a piece, and they came with tubes. These I think were about 5 a piece, if I'm thinking right. 20, 40, or maybe they were 15 a piece. So all in all, for all 6, because there's 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, came out to like 105. John Deere still stocks them, or still keeps them, but still some stuff's a little bit harder to find. We did take a little bit of break from it because of the holidays, and it's been busy here at the shop, so hopefully I can get all this slapped in on the chassis. Got the chassis sitting over here. I'll do a whole video when I bolt all this stuff up, just trying to get the wheel bearings. This way when I bolt everything up, it'll be on wheels. The only thing is there won't be no tie rod ends. So guys, check back in when we slide that in. Don't know if I'm gonna put the fenders on yet, but hopefully we'll have it rolling. But yeah, keep wrenching, guys. And if you have any questions, just comment on it. I respond to most of my comments, as long as they're not trolling comments. Even I respond to those, but not in the way that you might want. So yeah, if you have any questions, hit me up.